Did you know that almost every business uses Microsoft Office 365 for their internal and external business operations? Still, about $30 billion is lost every year in unused Microsoft Office licenses. Optimizing the usage of M365 software is a challenge most companies are struggling with today, and they are not even aware of it. When you are purchasing multiple licenses for your M365 software, it can be hard to keep track of its usage in the long term. Unless you dedicate a tool to track its usage, there remains a lack of visibility that often leads to wastage of unused licenses and unauthorized use by ex-employees. Introducing the QBX portal powered by CoreView, brought to you by Quadbridge. The QBX portal simplifies Office 365 license management by offering IT teams a single pane of glass view of their entire Microsoft software inventory. QBX portal gives them the complete visibility needed to track the usage of every product, thus combating overspending, increasing security, and ensuring a high ROI. Still intrigued? Great, because there's more! You will have access to dashboards and over 175 customizable reports that will allow you to identify underused licenses, onboard and offboard employees, get alerts for license renewal, simplify chargebacks for better accuracy, mitigate security and compliance risks with granular role-based access control, and more. To learn more about how the QBX portal optimizes your Microsoft Cloud products, contact us today.